What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix issues with EpocCam Pro for iPhone not working on your Windows PC. Now the main reason this tends to happen, I've noticed, is due to some of the components not being installed or being disabled before you actually install the app. The main component of this is iTunes. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the Microsoft Store and download iTunes and install it on your PC. Make sure that you actually fully allow the installation and all services to install as well, because I'm actually going to show you which specific service you need to enable just in case installing iTunes doesn't fix the issue for you. So the main reason it won't connect is because of the Bonjour service. So all we have to do is right click on the start menu and head over to, actually not right click, we're actually going to click on start and type in services. And in the services list, we're just going to look for Bonjour. And if you're unable to connect, chances are this isn't going to say running. It's going to say, or it's actually going to be blank. If I disable this here and stop the process, you'll see that it's blank here and it says disabled. And if I try and connect over here, you'll see that it's infinitely connecting and it's not working. That's because Camera Hub, Elgato, basically rely on Bonjour to send data or receive data from the iPhone. So all you have to do is right click, or actually better yet, open up the Bonjour service and then set it to automatic, hit apply, and then click on start. And once you hit OK, everything's connected. So yeah, hopefully this helped you guys out, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect. MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech.